Hi guys, it's me, Mochi. Now, don't get me started on stupid rage betas. Why did she sound British? Anyways, not the point. Where do you even find pleasure in seeing people mad? Doesn't that just decrease people's respect on you? Because there's this just one boy in my class who used to be fine in personality, but now, he's just there to rage bait people. Like, me and other classmates have told him to stop many times, but he never listens. And don't even mention how in my religion rage baiting is a sin. Like, do you know how many Christians or Catholics rage bait for fun? Please, just stop making people angry on purpose. It's bad in general. That's all I want to say. Mochi. Out.